Hello friends, I am Samparka Chakrabarti and I am from Rhode Island Public School. I read in class 12. I will discuss about the World Environment Day 2021 in 5th June. The aim of this World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. What is ecosystem? The ecosystem is the interrelationship between the living beings and non-living things in the whole environment.
This is also the part of our ecosystem. You can see that the butterfly is collecting the nectar from the flower. It looks very nice. If we cut down all the trees from the surroundings, then the biodiversity of that area will be hampered. The cocks and the hens, they are also the essential animals for human beings. The humans collect their chickens and the eggs for their easy lifestyle. But they are also the part of our ecosystem by eating the harmful insects of the surrounding and maintain the balance of biodiversity. The wild guinea fowl of African forest, they are also very profitable for human beings. But beside this, they also are the part of our ecosystem. These are the turkey, the native of North and Central America. They are also very useful for the human beings. The humans collect their chickens and the eggs for their easy lifestyle. But beside this, they also maintain the balance of our ecosystem. They also eat those venomous snakes and other harmful insects. These are the mushroom or the fungus, the decomposer of the dead parts of plants and animals and other living things. They are also part of our ecosystem.
We will learn now what is the restoration of ecosystem. The recovery of environment is the restoration of ecosystem. By planting trees, the ecosystem can be recovered very easily. But we have to keep in mind that the wetlands, the water bodies and the rivers and seas and the oceans also maintain the balance of ecosystem. The fishes, the microbes and the aquatic plants and animals also are involved in this ecosystem. They have also the freedom to live in their own lifestyle. Now I am taking to a waterland and I want to show you how the ecosystem is going on in the pond. So let us move to the waterland.
The pond ecosystem has a great significance. They provide habitation to the aquatic species and support biodiversity also. The ponds works as a mini reservoir which help to drain during rain. Nowadays, ponds are found everywhere, but yet they are endangered. So, we need to conserve them and protect them from getting extinct. We need to remember that we have to save something for the future generation. Thank you for watching the video.